Learning a new programming language can feel like a daunting task, especially in the beginning of your career before you feel more comfortable in your role as a programmer. However, throughout this series, you will hopefully see that learning a new language is more about learning a new syntax than learning how to program all over again. We can still benefit from having learned how to write loops or functions. It is just that we have to learn how to express that knowledge in the new language. In the following episodes, we will look at how we can use what we have learned in Python to start to program in Java. We will try to have a very practical and down-to-earth approach so that you can quickly start to write programs in Java. And before we end this introduction and jump straight into looking at what programs you need to program in Java, I would just like to encourage you to practice what you will learn over the next coming episodes. Write small Java programs, write the code yourself, and maybe even go back and redo some of the tasks that you did in Python, but now write them in Java instead. Practice makes perfect.